Hello and welcome to my channel Sangrila with Ila Anant Acharya. This is 30-day free workshop based on the very famous basic Ho'oponopono prayer. Why I'm telling basic is that in this entire 1 month I'm going to share with you whatever I have learned about Ho'oponopono prayer with the reference of this very famous book Zero Limits by Dr. Joe Vitale and Dr. Hewlin E. Haleakala, and about some research guidelines and some research booklets where they have given about Ho'oponopono tools. So today is day 1, and on day 1 I'm going to share with you about what is Ho'oponopono prayer, or we can say what is the basic Ho'oponopono prayer. So people have come across this law of attraction through the book The Secret, through the movie The Secret app via Rhonda Brand. Okay, similarly people have came across the very famous, this magical miraculous prayer through the very famous book Zero Limits by Dr. Joe Vitale, Dr. Hewlin, and I have came across through YouTube channel while scrolling, while learning about law of attraction. This Ho'oponopono prayer was being shown to me as a universal signal that you should learn these also, and I have just came across that, and after researching well, after knowing well, after reading this amazing book, I have tried to understand what is Ho'oponopono prayer. So in this book, or in almost all the YouTube channel, they have shown you, or they have shared with you that Ho'oponopono prayer is a Hawaiian prayer, it's a healing prayer, it's a prayer based on forgiveness. Okay, so first of all, the source where it has started from, Hawaii Island, Hawaiian. Some guru were there. I will inform you about the basic source who has introduced this Ho'oponopono prayer to Dr. Hewlin, to Dr. Joe Vitale. I will come across that in the upcoming videos in the upcoming days. Okay, for today about only Ho'oponopono prayer. So it has started, sources from Hawaiian. It is an Hawaiian prayer, and it has just 4 simple phrases, very easy, very common. So 4 simple phrases, and if you will use it, then you can heal so many things. Basically, you can heal in all the areas of life, like health, wealth, relationship, even job, career. So you can take any area of your life, and using this Ho'oponopono prayer can heal that area. Okay, and I will just share with you the basic 4 phrases, because I know if you are here, you must be already searched about Ho'oponopono prayer, you must be already knowing about Ho'oponopono prayer, you must have attended webinars and seminars also. 50% of you almost have done that, and if you are very new, then also I will start slowly and steadily, because the basic Ho'oponopono prayer is 4 phrases: I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Yes, these 4 phrases, you can even change the sequence. Sometimes it is like thank you, I love you, please forgive me, I'm sorry, yeah, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You can change the series, you can change the sequence, there is not an issue. But what I love to follow is that I start with I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Then these 4 phrases are Ho'oponopono prayer. Okay, so what is the word Ho'oponopono prayer? What is the meaning of the word Ho'oponopono? So Ho'oponopono is to correct an error, to correct a mistake. If you have done any mistake, if you have done any error, if you have done any wrongdoing, then this prayer will help you to delete it. This prayer will help you to erase it. From where? From your memories. Because in this book, or wherever you will learn about Ho'oponopono prayer, it is said that whatever problems are coming into your life, it is coming because of the memories that are playing in your subconscious mind, that are you are remembering, and they are playing the role as a problem in your life. So you have to erase that memories because you have done any mistake. And this Ho'oponopono prayer basically follows that rule that you have a karmic connection. If you believe in that you are taking one life after another life after another life, and each life you have done some good things, some bad things. So good things are giving you good karmas, bad things are giving you bad karmas, which we also follow in our Hindu religion and all that. So the same concept they are following, but here the only thing is that they give us a chance to erase that memories in this karma, in this life itself. So even if we have done something in past life, whatever, whenever, we don't know, we don't have to exactly go there and then check what we have done. Simply we have to repeat this Ho'oponopono prayer, this 4 phrases, and it will help us to erase the memory. Then, well, as soon as the memory is erased or deleted, it will help us to solve this problem. This problem will also be solved, whatever problem it may be, in the money area, relationship area, health area, whatever area. Okay, so this is the basic introduction. So if you are completely new about Ho'oponopono prayer, and if you understand English language or Hindi language, English language obviously you are watching this, if you still understand Hindi language, I will suggest you to go to my channel, Parivartan Angel Behavior. There I have given in all the detail. So just a prior, like you will have that prior requisite, that what is it, what is upcoming. You will love that videos also, specifically for Hindi knowing language people. I have created that series from season 1 to season 6, and this is specifically for people who understand English. So just concluding this video, day 1, what is Ho'oponopono prayer? It is a Hawaiian healing, magical, miraculous prayer. And you will see ample amount of stories. There are so many stories there available on the YouTube channel, that it has helped them to heal the relationship, to heal the health, to get so much amount of money. And then the conclusion about what is the Ho'oponopono prayer, the 4 famous phrases: I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. And how to do this prayer? Just repeat this prayer. Just repeating this prayer is doing the Ho'oponopono prayer. And how to do it, when to do it, how can you do it, I will share slowly, steadily, in detail in this upcoming days. So today's day 1, I think it is enough for you to know. And if you still have any doubt, if you still have any questions, please do comment below. And I hope you will enjoy this, and I will try to give you the best which I can, because I might sometimes you might sometimes have some mistake, but if you can catch that mistake and if you can correct me, I'll be happy also, because I have no return data over here. This is just the list of the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 30. I just from my heart I would like to share with you what I know. So sometimes in the flow, sometimes I can go, and sometimes in one or two sentence I can repeat, or I can have this mistake or of the words or of the line. So if you find out that also, then I'm just comment below that ma'am you have this you can correct over here, and I'll be happy to do that. Anyway, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, share it, it is free. I just want to give this information to as many people as I can, because this is really going to help you to feel better. First of all, Ho'oponopono prayers has helped me to heal my health and health of many people around me. Okay, so health benefit is the first thing which you will always get from Ho'oponopono prayer. But there are other things also, but it depends where you are needing the most. Okay, so thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.